In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice by email in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can access the tools you need to manage customers, sales, and invoices. Make sure you're using the correct company file before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account. Next, open your invoices. From the left-hand menu, go to Sales, then select Invoices. This will bring up your invoice list, where you can view invoices by customer, status, date, or amount. If you have a long list, it may help to use the search or filter options to find the one you want more quickly. Now, find the invoice you want to send and open it. Click directly on the invoice so you can review its details. This is a good moment to make sure you've selected the correct invoice before emailing it, since the customer will receive exactly what is attached. Once the invoice is open, click Send, or, in some cases, Review and Send. QuickBooks may use slightly different wording depending on the screen you're on, but both options take you to the email review window. From there, verify the recipient. Look at the To field and confirm that the customer's email address is correct. This is one of the most important parts of the process, because sending an invoice to the wrong address can delay payment and create confusion. After that, review the subject line. QuickBooks usually fills this in automatically, but you can edit it if needed. Keep it clear and professional so the customer immediately knows the email contains an invoice. Then, review the email message itself. This is the note that will appear in the body of the email along with the invoice. Read through it carefully to make sure the wording is appropriate and that the message gives the customer enough context. Next, preview the invoice PDF on the right side of the screen. This lets you see the attachment before it goes out. Take a moment to check that the layout looks right and that the invoice appears complete and ready to send. When everything looks good, click Send. QuickBooks will email the invoice to your customer using the details you just reviewed. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invoice by email in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.